Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
It was narrated from Imam Hassan Askari that he said, a woman came to Lady Fatima Zahra and said,
I have a weak and incapable mother who is skeptical about her prayers, and is not aware of the Sharia issues. She has sent me to you so that you may inform me about them.
Lady Fatima explained the rule of religion for this issue to the woman. The woman asked about another issue. It wasn't long before she asked another question for the third time. On this day, the number of these questions and answers reached around 10. She was so embarrassed that she said,
I'm sorry I disturbed you a lot today.
Lady Fatima said cheerfully,
If you still have any questions, come to me and ask what you want to ask. If a laborer is hired for a day's service, to carry heavy loads on the roof and take 100,000 dinars in return, will he feel tired?
The woman replied,
No.
She said,
Today I have received rewards more than the distance between the heavens and the earth for every question of yours from God. After all this, do you think I will be tired of your questions?
Then Lady Fatima Zahra explained the saying of her father, the Holy Prophet, about the reward God will give to the religious scholars, those who strive for the promotion of religion in the world and for the commands of God, especially in the time of the occultation of Imam Mahdi, and become the cause of guiding the people. She also mentioned that there will be rewards from God for those who will benefit from them and those who will be guided by them. And finally she said,
The value of a thread of these honors and rewards 1,000 times superior to the things on which the sun shines.